Hello guys and welcome to the new episode. We'll start this one with a clip where something strange happens to this biker. It's always good to have tools with yourself. This biker managed to get his bike into third gear and rode home safely. Three-lane road and still driver decided to push bikers off the road. This didn't look like honest mistake, and driver's behavior cannot be justified. Close calls are a big part of our episodes. We featured them mostly for new riders, so they can anticipate what can happen and what will definitely happen while riding motorcycle.
He is. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that just happened.
Unfortunately, this biker went down. His front wheel slipped and he low-sided his bike. Biker had full gear on and didn't got injured, but his bike was severely damaged.
No. No. I don't know. That's coolant. That's not oil. I don't even know what happened. No, I got it. I got the fork straight. Yeah. My foot peg's gone. So is the shifter. Exhaust is gone. Maybe my radiator did explode. That's what happened. Lever might. Oh yeah. Lever just came clean off. So this is still good. That's my, is that my foot peg or my, oh yeah, okay.
Are you okay?
What the f?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
This biker went down after car cut him off without checking mirrors. Only mistake that this biker made was he was riding in bus lane, which is forbidden in Italy.
Yeah?
Oh, I'm okay.
Yeah?
Are you okay?
Down? Yeah.
Huh?
Wanna sit down?
I'm okay.
Water?
Oh, f the hell? In every country that I've been to, you're allowed to drive motorcycles in the bus lane, so that's
I'm really glad
it was,
you're okay.
yeah, we weren't going so fast, so luckily. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you hurt?
Maybe? I don't know. I can check.
Alright. The police now wanted us to come with them to the police station to give them the footage of the crash. I feel stupid. I should have known. I shouldn't have been driven in the bus lane, but in most countries you are allowed to drive in the bus lane on a motorcycle. I was not aware you were not allowed to do that here.
Alright, there's a pretty big gap right here. I don't think I want my front tire to go in there. Woo! Got it. I think I gave it too much gas, but I need to go over there to cross, I think. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh no. Oh no. Guys, I'll be the first to say, I f***ed up. I should have went that way. Oh my god. Oh, both feet are soaked now. Oh god. Oh. Why do I do this to myself? Why did I just do that to myself? That was a bad idea. It's like 50 degrees. I'm soaked. This is what they call enduro though, right? Look at the thing it dug. It's a divot. God, now I'm soaked in mud again. Can't ever go off-roading.
You definitely need a lot of patience while riding in South Africa, because their taxis are one of the worst drivers. Guys, if you didn't know, we started a new YouTube channel, which is full of interesting videos. Last week we started a new series on which we are making modern houses with mini bricks. We spent over 15 days on first episode, so guys, make sure to check it out and support us. Link is on top of the description.